Welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing another monster trim truck here, and we're going to be building this Max D monster truck. So let's get right into the build here. So our first step is to come in front of where we want the front of the truck to be. On the center of it, put a temporary block. Then, on this upper hitbox, we're going to put a dark oak trapdoor, and we're going to make a line of 8 trapdoors coming up the center. Then take off this temporary block, crouch, and put a chiseled polished Blackstone block on top of either end. Then a polished Blackstone slab on top of each of those, and then a slab on the upper hitbox of each side on both of them. Then align with that, 1 block over and down on the ground, 2 polished Blackstone brick blocks on all 4 corners like this, and that'll be the bottom center of the tires. Then take polished Blackstone brick stairs upside down, 2 on each one facing backwards like this. Then turn around and 2 on each one facing forward like this, so the tire ends up being 3 blocks wide. Then take an orange shulker box and put one on the center sideways like this on all 4 wheels. Then we'll put 2 polished Blackstone brick blocks on either side of each of the shulker boxes like this. Same thing on this side. Then go back to stairs, and then 2 stairs facing this way on each tire at the back of it. Then turn around and 2 stairs facing this way on the front of each tire. Then finally 2 polished Blackstone brick blocks on the top center of each of the 4 tires here. Then right here we're going to put 3 dark oak trapdoors on that upper hitbox and 3 across this end. Then we'll come in the middle here, put 2 sideways lightning rods, 2 blocks of netherite, turn around, and 2 sideways lightning rods again. Then we'll put 2 levers on either side of these netherite blocks going up. Now come stand on whatever end you want the back to be, and above these netherite we're going to put 2 blast furnaces, then a smoker, and then a hopper for the engine. The engine goes to the back. Then crouch and put a lightning rod vertically on each side of these trapdoors. And then same thing up here, 1 on each side. Then take nether brick vents behind the lightning rod, and we're going to run it all the way down on this top layer until you get right here. And then we'll do the exact same thing on this side, a full line of nether brick fences. And now the base is done here. And we'll come under here, right here, put an andesite wall, and same thing on this side, right here. Now come on top of the front here, and above this center block, put an andesite block. Then an oak slab on the upper hitbox on the front middle. Come behind it and another andesite block. Then we're going to put 2 upside down andesite stairs facing this way here, 2 here. Turn around, 2 facing backwards here, 2 here, and then put 2 polished andesite slabs on either side like this. Then behind this, 1 block in from the outside on either side above where these fences are, we're going to put 3 polished andesite blocks coming back on each side. Then up here a dark oak fence gate for a steering wheel, turn around, and a stair for a seat. Then on top of the back of each of these, another polished andesite like this. And then across here, 3 black stained glass blocks. Now come behind here, and we're going to put 2 upside down, backward facing, polished andesite stairs on either side, so it sticks out 1 to the side like this on each side. Then, we're going to put 4 polished andesite blocks up the middle, then a 2x2 of polished andesite slabs on the upper hitbox on each side like this. And finally at the back, 2 upside down forward facing polished andesite stairs on either side. Then we'll come on top on the back of the cab here and put another polished andesite block on either side like this. then a backwards polished andesite stair behind that on each side. Then we need to come in and grab an oak stair and put an oak stair on this center. Then on these outside edges right here, we're going to put 4 polished andesite slabs and 3 up here. Then same thing on this side because these fenders stick up. Just like that. Then we're going to come on the top here, and in the center of this cab, run 3 iron trapdoors up the middle. Then on either side of the top of the cab, we're going to put 4 polished andesite slabs on each side like this. Then on this back here, 2 red carpet on each side, 2 yellow carpet in the middle. Up here, crouch and put a yellow carpet on either side and 2 black carpet in the center. Then on the front, we're going to do yellow carpet up the middle and red carpet on each side like this. Now come on the side and we're actually going to change this block to orange concrete. And same thing on this side. Then we'll put a light gray carpet on top of the orange concrete, a skeleton skull on the side, and deep slate brick walls on either side of the skeleton skull. Do the same thing here, so carpet here, skeleton skull, walls on each side. On the back, on each side, we're going to put 2 glow item frames with redstone blocks in all of them. Then on the front, on either side up here, we're going to put 2 dark oak signs on each side. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Max D Monster Jam monster truck. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.